Travertine Cleaning and Sealing Project in Biggleswade Bedfordshire by Abbey Floor Care. This travertine floor was installed in a heavy-use kitchen, entrance and inner hallway. After 10 years the tiles had lost their sheen. The grout looked grubby. There were a lot of holes from collapsed travertine filler. The client wasn't happy with the appearance of the floor. They had to scrub the floor on their hands and knees to remove soil from the tiles and the grout. But they couldn't remove all the ingrained soil from the travertine tiles, and the grout would quickly go dark again. They were looking for a clean floor that would continue to look clean without having to scrub the travertine on their hands and knees. The original smooth finish had worn off the tiles, exposing small pits and voids that filled with soil. This soil is very difficult to remove by mopping alone. The grout was also soiled because cleaning slurries from mopping had soaked into the grout. I applied a travertine cleaner and sealer remover over the floors and gave the chemicals time to soften the residual sealers and soils. I used a rotary scrubbing machine and pressure rinsing to lift the soils from the tiles and the grout. After cleaning, I filled the larger holes with 2-part jasmine coloured resin filler. Finally, I applied a high solids film forming sealer that dried to a pleasant mid-sheen finish. The sealer gives the following benefits. It acts as a wear layer, protecting the surface of the travertine and the grout. It gives more time to wipe spills before they damage the stone. And it makes the floor much easier to clean. My client was delighted with the finish. I explained the importance of correct maintenance, and in particular how microfiber damp mopping would lift more soil off the floor than a standard cotton mop, meaning that the tiles and grout would stay cleaner for longer. If you have a stone floor in Biggleswade or in the surrounding area that you need help with, please drop me a line at Abbey Floor Care. I'll be happy to help.